Oh, sorry, didn't see you there. You find us down at Brinkburn Street Brewery, and we just wanted to say a massive thank you from Clubhouse to everyone that came out last Monday for Turbo Dorktober. We had an amazing time with the Turbo Dork paints. Loads of people digging in, getting the paints on our Blood Bowl Orc teams. They look fabulous. The paints themselves were a massive hit with everyone that tried them. We had painters that have been painting for a very long time and some people that had never tried it before. Everyone found them really easy to use. They all had a great time with them. They were huge hits. So thank you so much to Turbo Dork for sending us these range of beautiful paints. Thank you very much for everyone that came down to help paint the Clubhouse Blood Bowl teams. And here's a short video of what happened. Roll tape, roll film, roll it.